Get out! Get out!
What?
I'm executive ordering my office. I have a lock in here. I will lock you all out. Get out.
We won't come in here, just leave it. We're about to summon some spiritual entities into the Braille House.
Get in the safety, Daniel. I don't know what we're doing.
No, that song is too like peppy. I need like a Halloween Ouija board song. Yes, let's go. So look at first of all how much dust is on this. Somebody wrote "You're going to hell" on top of it. They did do the right "your." This must be Gabe's doing. I love that it's like from Hasbro. Oh. Daniel's face.
I don't even have safety glasses on it.
Oh. Nobody move it. Put your fingers on
Betty
it.
need to do it too.
Yeah.
You getting in here, Carlos?
Yeah, sure.
Should we make a video with the Ouija board?
Is that a sign?
That's a yes.
I just realized that those trucks on the bottom are like really good trucks. These trucks have been sitting on here, has been on here for a while. Okay guys, so Daniel made this board for us. It is a Ouija board skateboard, and we've been going back and forth on this for a long time. Gabe really does not want to do this. He does not want to do this video in any way, shape, or form. In fact, he is terrified right now and he's hiding in his office. So we're gonna try and figure out a way to scare him. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna use the bathroom and I'm gonna bang on the wall, and I put some bones on the wall and I'm gonna hope that they fall off. But first we gotta like do some stuff to maybe freak him out a little bit more. I don't know what you're supposed to ask. There's not really like directions. Are there spirits here? Wow. Are the spirits evil?
Just
Oh my gosh. Are we going to scare Gabe? Okay, jeez.
The spirit is strong in this
Then should we play a game of skate on this?
Peace.
Okay. We are convinced that there is a ghost in the Braille House, no joke. One time Gabe and I were sitting in the office and this board that was as fully attached to the wall just flew off. And then we walked outside and this light right here, there's no way for that light to start moving, was full blown swinging like whoosh, whoosh. We're gonna go in there and we're going to conjure spirits in Gabe's office, which that alone will freak him out.
We go around the front. Just let us in. Just let us in.
Are there spirits in the Braille House? Ah!
honestly, Chris, it looks like you're delivering a pizza.
Does, huh?
No?
It didn't fall off. I'm like, could not hit it harder.
I think Troy died already.
Straight up.
He's not opened the door yet.
The spirit got him.
We can't get in. We can't get in.
It specifically said.
Can we get into the door? No.
Okay, well, our ability to scare people obviously sucks really bad.
Quick! Damn it!
Will Gabe be haunted tonight? Ah!
Run away! Make a break for it!
Just trying to enjoy my sandwich in peace.
Will Gabe survive?
He's freakishly strong.
Ah!
This is the Demon Buster. Where they at? Oh.
Alright, let's skate this. Okay, who's playing? Dang! Smash.
Blast.
I'm gonna go get my.
Hoist.
Dang.
Back 3 power slide.
What? My body just mysteriously goes flying across the Braille House. Don't wonder why. Something just fell off.
Oh man, what the heck?
We'll give that to him. Oh! Yeah, boy. I suppose since this is a Halloween video, I should put on my costume. First trick, first try. Let's go.
Nollie monster flip.
Okay, that was better.
Defense.
Betty and I are
There.
we're the ultimate cheaters.
I feel like this is gonna be like one of the hardest tricks. I just landed on my own foot.
I mean, defense? Carlos actually like legitimately ollied though. I'll take an S.
You think these monkey legs can handle it?
No monkey business. Oh! Every part of me just wanted to chuck that board.
You know, my least favorite thing is when the wheelbase is like stand like this skating. Not fun.
Summon the spirit act. Yes! So proud of myself. Never been more proud of myself.
Dang it!
Will I land this? Oh, dang it. You're not being a speed racer for Halloween because you're going like Mach 5. I don't know who he's laughing at.
Was that the best trick ever done on this board?
No!
Whoa.
Demon begone thy!
What's my next vehicle gonna be? The truck.
Skateboard truck though, specifically.
How did you get that on so quick?
I'm good. No! Oh no!
Nigel, it's okay. It's not
No,
on.
it's not okay. You guys conjured a demon. I can't be in this building anymore.
Nobody's landing anything. No! It's so hard. It's impossible.
Why? What are we doing here?
Now everybody's landing tricks.
Oh, what? That offense is hard. Defense is easy.
When life gives you bananas, you pill it, okay?
Make melons.
Pill it out.
When life gives you bananas, you make banana aid.
Good strategy.
That's so hard without grip.
This isn't everything counts. I don't even know what that was.
Now you're just being mean. You're just being a jerk. Oh yeah, boy.
Oh, you see that save?
Box, redo. Redo? Yeah, see?
Didn't work at all. What a waste of a turn.
Let's see, I realize that this side has a bit more of a tail, this side has a bit more of a nose. Let's go this way. Probably shouldn't do that to it. You're good, it's okay. It's okay, don't follow me home. Do I cheat as bad as I did on the first 360 thing? Yeah. Yeah? Ow!
Is it okay to be scared?
One more try.
Dang it. Can't even do this on a regular skateboard. Oh, so close. Probably closer than I've ever been, ever.
I thought I was gonna break it, so I jumped off.
Leave it in the comments below. What costume are you wearing for
Today.
Halloween? I don't need no Ouija board. I don't need no Ouija board.
Dang it, Betty, dang it!
One really good trick right here, and I can win the Halloween game of skate. I wanted that.
Wait, hold on. Am I filming this?
You better say goodbye to it.
What?
Did you say bye to it?
What?
After you're done skating it?
Why?
You better say bye to it.
Why?
Awesome. Say bye to the Ouija
Right now?
board. Once you're done skating.
Yeah, you gotta say goodbye. Oh yeah, hold on, I gotta say goodbye.
Bye to it.
Yeah, okay.
Please.
Okay. Gabe was legitimately terrified right then.
What did he say?
He told me to make sure we say goodbye to it after we're done skating it.
He did?
Yeah.
Spirits, I lost the game, so I'm saying goodbye. So thank you.
This ground is so dirty. Ow! It hurts so bad. In here, and here.
I can't even do this on a normal board. Alright, good game. Now I'm gonna try flip it.
One trick right here.
Why'd that make such a loud noise? That's so hard. Let's get it. Okay, I just gotta keep my foot all the way on it. I fully yeeted it. Oh, I still got it. Alright, this one's for Satan. Alright, Carlo. See it.
Halloween mode? I could just act like I'm there you go.
What the heck? That's terrifying.
We're done.
Okay, Ouija board, we had fun skating you. Now it is time to go. Goodbye. Well, I legit wasn't even moving that. Alright guys, happy Halloween. We hope you had a blast watching this video, and we hope that you are all having a wonderful Halloween. Leave it in the comments below what you are going to be for Halloween. And you guys, yes, you should learn how to skateboard. We're having a blast teaching tons of people how to skateboard, and we want you, yes, you, to learn how to skateboard. So go to brailleskateboarding.com. You can get all of your skateboard gear there. You can get instructional videos. We have everything that you would possibly need. So go there, get your gear, and get shredding. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Each and every single one of you are absolutely incredible. Let's go, hashtag notification squad. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, leave the comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out all these other videos in the playlist.